Hi, Thomas Belknap here, and I wanted to do a quick video showing how I would use PdfXtreme to build a interactive course. So the first thing I would do is to pick your subject and the PDF file that you will use as your base for the course. It's something that I would probably pick something that highlights most of the information I want to cover in the course, and then we'll build upon that PDF with more information by attaching different types of documents like videos, spreadsheets, Word docs, diagrams, stuff like that. But we want the main PDF file to at least give a synopsis of the information that we will also be adding additionally. So I got this quick PDF off of Espresso, and it's about lead generation with Facebook ads. So if I was to create a Facebook ad course, I would use a PDF that covered most of the topics that I would like to include in the course. Like I said, it just needs to mention a little bit of the topic, and then we can go into details by adding more documents that shows how to do some things more specifically. The main PDF file doesn't have to do that. So we got different topics here. What is lead generation? So what we can do when we get to that section is we can highlight some excerpts, and we can go into more detail with a video tutorial or maybe a link to a website or YouTube video. And we got lead magnets here. The lead magnets is we could actually go into more detail on the lead magnets by including pictures of landing pages, and we can mark up those landing pages and why they're effective, and so on and so on. So what I would do is I would go through the main PDF file, and for every excerpt that you would like to build upon, like say lead generation, let's say we wanted to add more information about leads here, I would just highlight it. And then continue doing that for the whole PDF. So after you're done, let's see if we wanted to go down here and say we want to find your lead magnet. Say we have a video on creating lead magnets. We could highlight, let's see, this section here if we wanted to, and highlight that. And we continue doing that throughout the whole PDF. Hopefully you have, before you get this far, you grouped all the information you want to use in this course, like any links you want to show people. It could be YouTube links, could be affiliate product links. If you got some videos you want to include, some other PDF files, it's best to group that in a folder. That way, when you start going through this process, you're able to quickly add those documents when you're ready. So say we got the qualified leads here, and we wanted to add a video. So we would call and we could put a description. This explains more about the lead generation video. So what we're right now is add a video. You can host this on the cloud. So let's say I want to go and email headlines and topics. Okay, so we save that. And now we have, for this page, we have a lead generation video. You notice that it disappears once we go off the page. So when the user comes down to this page, the lead generation video will pop up. And what we can do is right click, click properties, and we can put a comment, watch lead generation video right there. So we can direct those, and when you highlight it, watch lead generation video. So we can direct the user to watch this video when they highlight that area. And you can do the same thing for links if you want. If you say we wanted to add a new link for that, like say if it could be a link to a YouTube, could add a link, caption it 100 lead magnet ideas, and then you would put in the YouTube video, whatever it is, and a description. Oops, click on that. And so we got that video, we got that link right here. So what you want to do is click properties and click on the 100 lead magnet videos link. So now when they put the cursor over that, we can tell them to click on the 100 lead magnet videos. So you can continue doing this, and you continue building up your course, your interactive course. So if you had like a sales funnel that you wanted to demonstrate, you could go to the section where it talks about sales funnels and just highlight it like you did before. And we can create a diagram. And then you start diagramming out your sales funnel that the people reading your course would be interested in. And then you click save. So now you have a sales funnel example. So you right click and you put a comment there. And now they highlight that, check out the sales funnel example. And so your user would be directed to clicking on this. And if you had landing page examples, we could highlight a section there. And we could add a picture. And say we go towards, we find some landing page examples online. We can screenshot it. So let's open that up. And we'll take a screenshot of this landing page. So we go back. And now what we can do is highlight certain areas that we want to bring their attention to. can continue. Oops, we don't want that back over here. So now you have a landing page example that they can click on. And we'll click the properties, right click, click the properties. Check out landing page example. So we would divert them over to there. So you want to keep going through your main PDF file. That's why I said to have a PDF file that covers at least the basics of everything you want to add into the course. It doesn't have to go into full detail because you can attach the different types of documents that we've been doing here to go into more detail. We'll just highlight the section of the text that talks about something specific, and then we can go into more details by highlighting that section and adding links, or we can add websites, or they can add their own notes here. So that's how you would build up a fully interactive online interactive PDF course using PdfXtreme.